Using WhatsApp for real estate? Then check out WASheet. It's a total game changer.
Open WASheet.com and click on Install for Free button. Now, click on Add to Chrome and then select Add Extension. Once installed, WhatsApp Web will automatically open in a new tab. Welcome to WhatsApp Sheet. First, let's securely sign in with Google. Now, let's explore the first and main feature, Message Broadcaster. Click on Open to get started. If you want to send a message by manually entering numbers, you can use the Manual Entry feature. Here, you can select your country code and manually enter the phone numbers. From here, you can attach any media file. Here, you can enter your message and set a time gap interval in seconds. If you want to send messages using an Excel or other spreadsheet file, you can use this feature. Simply drag and drop or select your Excel or odds file to continue. Now, let's demonstrate a live example using Google Sheets. Copy the URL of the Google Sheet you want to use for sending bulk messages. Now, paste the copied URL here and click Next. A browser pop-up will appear, downloading your Google Sheet. Simply drag and drop the file like this to continue the process. Now, select the sheet and rows, then click Next. Here, you can select the country code and phone number column. You can choose a message from your sheet or use the Write Message feature, where you can insert pre-saved templates and sheet variables to fully customize your message. You can set the time gap interval in seconds. Once done, click Send to start message broadcasting. Once the message broadcasting is complete, you can download the broadcast report for reference. Now, let's explore the WhatsApp to Google Sheet feature. To activate this, you need to generate and add a form response key. Click on this link to learn how to generate and add it. Click on, then open any chat tab where you'll see the data entry menu at the top. In this example order, turn on the address fetcher, click on the text, then turn it off to store the data. Similarly, you can use the extra info fetcher to save any additional details. After that, manually enter the product info and click Submit to transfer the data to your Google Sheet. This feature helps you save a lot of time on data entry tasks. To activate the AI Chat Assistant feature, you need to generate and add an OpenAI API key. Click on this link to learn how to generate and add it. Click on, then open any chat tab where you'll see the AI Chat button at the bottom left. Click to open it. Here, you can ask anything or use the Analyze My Chat feature, which will analyze your real-time WhatsApp chats. It provides suggested replies and offers insights into the tone, mood, and level of seriousness based on client chat behavior. Additionally, it detects and alerts you to any suspicious, red flag, or fraudulent activities from clients. This AI Chat Assistant is highly trained on real business chat histories, using psychological and probability-based analysis to enhance your business communication and save valuable time when handling client inquiries. Now, let's explore workflow messages. Click Open to get started. By clicking Write Message, you can manually create an automated response or choose from pre-saved customizable templates. In the Keywords section, add as many keywords as you want. Your response message will be sent automatically whenever those keywords are detected. You can also attach media files, including documents, videos, or images. Once done, click Add to generate your first automation with run, stop, and delete controls. You can create multiple automations based on your selected package. Let's explore the contacts export and import features. Click Open to begin. Here, you can download all your saved contacts, unsaved contacts, and selected group contacts. And with the WhatsApp number registration check feature, simply upload your spreadsheet file to quickly filter out which numbers are registered on WhatsApp, making number verification effortless with just one click. Now, let's talk about some additional features. In privacy, you can easily blur WhatsApp contact photos, chat names, recent chats, and chat messages just by toggling these switches. With the Start a New Chat feature, you can quickly initiate a conversation with unsaved contact numbers, making messaging more convenient. By enabling the Quick Replies feature, you can create and save as many chat templates as you need. Each template comes with click-to-copy, edit, and delete options, making your responses faster and more efficient. WhatsApp also supports a multi-language UI interface. Simply hover over the translate icon in the top menu bar and click on your preferred language to instantly switch the UI language. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.